Hello, this is Jack. Now we will be introduced about the arms, how to adjust for the strength for more tight or loose. Now we will be using this screw. This will be here. This screw will be adjustable for the distance from this part to these air gears. The distance to control this distance, and then to control these arms angles, more smaller or bigger. Like this size, the screw turn around for my side, and then the angle will be more smaller. It means the more strength to put on the finish the wire and the cable. So you will be know how to adjust for it. Too much, and then you need to more loose. It means you will be turn on this screw on the more big size. So you will be turn on the right side like this. So this will be show you more big. It shows a little bit more smaller strength to the wire and the cable. For example, now
哪一个是调那个看得到效果的？对，高比例好。
Now like this, right? I will be making it more strength and more smaller for this angle.
我来给你调节。
Now to loose. Now you will see the difference. You see, more smaller. Then if you need more bigger, and then you just put on the more big size. For example, I handle my hand at this size. You can see. You see the angle more bigger, the same as that side. So I think you should be know how to operate about this part. Okay.